So it's 5:15 in the morning. I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds like a frickin' rocket engine going off.
$23.90.
I'm $23.80.
So we placed a call to the Melbourne Water Department or whatever utilities, and about 5:45, a lone worker showed up, and he just looked and had a look on his face. He goes, "Yeah, I got to make a phone call some folks." And so everybody showed up, and I'd say by 7:30, the whole team was there. So by 7:30 is when they really started working on it and getting into it. And the time now is 11 o'clock. By 10:30, they were done. The place was cleaned up. Everything's gone. They said they'll send the street sweeper tomorrow. And I just wanted to say hats off to them because they did a great job. Everybody was professional. They had a role to do. Each one did it extremely well. And like I said, they're very professional and courteous to us. And we asked a ton of questions. We were those neighbors that just wouldn't stop asking questions, but they were all cool with it. And I just want to say hats off to the utility department. You got a great bunch of guys. Thank you.